In this video, we will discuss about the top 10 writing tips for the IELTS test. So without wasting any time, let's start. Tip number 1. Get familiar with the essay writing structure. In the IELTS writing task 2, there are around 6 types of essays. Sometimes you need to agree or disagree upon an argument. Other times, you may have to write about the advantages and disadvantages of something and also give your opinion. For every essay type, there is a specific structure. You need to know about them because it will help you to maintain the coherence. You must know how paragraphs in each of these essay types create a logical connectivity. There is no universal structure for these essays, as the objective of every essay is different. Tip number 2. Understand the question before attempting. Once you read the writing task question, you must understand what exactly is the question asking and what are you supposed to do to answer it. If you don't understand the requirement of the question, you will always get the wrong answer. For example, if you are writing a letter and you miss to answer any one bullet point, you will definitely lose score. Similarly, if you don't discuss the solutions in a problem solution essay type, your answer will be treated as a partial response. Tip number 3. Construct grammatically correct sentences with sentence variety. In the writing module, grammatically correct sentences play a very crucial role. In IELTS, the sentences should be grammatically correct along with a range of sentences. You need to include complex and compound sentences for a better score. Also ensure that you use the appropriate tenses, articles, prepositions and other grammatical features. Tip number 4. Use proper vocabulary. While writing your essays, avoid repetition of words. Instead, use synonyms. Also, try to use mid-range words or average frequency words. You don't need to use exceptionally complicated words. The evaluators will not reward you for this. They are happy if you use a word which is above average. For example, instead of using the word very angry, you can say furious, or say a peaceful environment instead of a calm environment. Remember, this test checks your communication skills and not your knowledge. Tip number 5. Keep a count on the words. According to IELTS, you need to write minimum 150 words in task 1 and 250 words in task 2. If you write anything less, you will lose score. During the exam, you may not be able to count all the words one by one, as this will be a time-taking process. So, we recommend that you count the average number of words in a line and then multiply it with the number of lines. For instance, if you write 8 words in a line, therefore in 10 lines you will write around 80 words. Counting words in this way will save your valuable time. Tip number 6. Keep an eye on the time. You have 60 minutes to complete both task 1 and task 2 of the writing module. However, according to IELTS, you should spend around 20 minutes on task 1 and 40 minutes on task 2. We recommend that you attempt task 2 first, as it carries more score than task 1. Tip number 7. No irrelevant answers. The evaluators will mark down if your answer is irrelevant to the task. As we discussed earlier, you must read and understand the requirement of the question. After that, plan your writing task and ensure that the points you generate are relevant and relates properly to the question asked. Tip number 8. Ensure that your writings are readable. Although handwriting is not a part of your writing evaluation parameter, you must ensure that the writing is readable. There must be proper difference between E's and I's. The evaluators will not take the pain to comprehend your handwriting, so make sure that your handwriting is legible. Tip number 9. Check answers and ensure that no questions are left. In the writing module, there are times when the question asks you to answer more than one thing. In other words, there may be 2 or 3 questions that you have to answer. If you miss any one of them, you will lose score. So, we always recommend that you plan your writing task and keep an eye on the question. This will help you to ensure that no part of the question is unanswered. Tip number 10. Understand the evaluation parameters. Out of all the tips that we have discussed, this is the most important tip. Remember that you are not writing for yourself, but you are writing for the evaluators, and they will check your responses based on the evaluation parameters. You must understand what these parameters are. In other words, your writing has to satisfy the evaluation parameters. So, learn about them before you take the IELTS test. For detailed videos about these parameters, log into our portal. You will find all videos and practice materials which will help you to ace this test in no time.